Look at the guava. In today's video, I will show you how to make a delicious core cake filled with a special type of jam that you can easily buy online. You use guava paste, which tastes delicious, and with this special ingredient, you will certainly impress everyone. Watch this video if you want to learn how to bake this. You can find the full list of ingredients in the description box below. For this recipe, you're gonna need 200 grams of guava paste greased with flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of corn flour, 1 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of sunflower oil, 1 cup of milk, 3 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. The first step is to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and grease and flour a bunch pan. The second step is to blend the wet ingredients. In a blender, combine the eggs, the milk, the sugar, and the oil. Blend until it's smoothly. The third step is to add the dry ingredients. You gradually add the corn flour and the plain flour to the blended mixture. Blend until smooth. Add the baking powder and blend briefly to incorporate. Step number 4 is to prepare the batter. Pour half of the batter into the prepared pan. Distribute half of the guava paste over the batter. Pour the remaining batter over the guava paste. Top with the remaining guava paste. Step number 5 is to bake. Bake in the preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes. And finally, step number 6 is to cool and serve. Allow the cake to cool before serving. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my weekly dessert recipes. Grab your cup of tea because it's time to try this cake out. Oh my gosh, look at the guava here, look. So yummy. And I know some of you are gluten intolerant, and that's why I created a gluten-free version of this cake. The gluten-free version of this cake is as delicious as the one with gluten, and the corn flavor and the color is more intense, more vivid. Check out my next video to watch my gluten-free core cake recipe with guava.